we are going to have a course together
Yes.
in Moscow in I forgot the date. Stop.
This is your first meeting for the focus on biomechanics and aligners.
Yeah.
Totally different my topics. This is I never talk
Okay.
about first
Okay, so
time.
we'll start.
Yes.
So hi Kenji,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm fine. All the time fine.
So we both are here in Seoul, Korea,
Yes.
and it is so nice to see you here.
Me too.
And you know that we have been invited by Pompa Group
Okay, restarted.
So hi Kenji, how are you? So nice to see you here in Seoul, Korea,
Yes.
where we are attending interdisciplinary meeting of orthodontics.
Yes.
So you and I both have been invited by Pompa Group
Moscow.
in Moscow to give a course.
Yes.
And it is going to be a great pleasure to be with Kenji for 2 days. And so Kenji, what are you planning to give a talk on when you are in Moscow?
And this time is I never see before my lecture everything new topics because Ravi he is my mentor. So he is top of the biomechanics for the internationally. So I respect about his article, his approaching. Then so this time aligner with biomechanics topics.
And you know, also I am going to cover the latest and the best with skeletal anchorage and TADs and how to use them with braces as well as how to use them in aligners. And Kenji being the guru of aligner orthodontics, it is going to be a great pleasure to give this course together.
Me too.
So thank you very much. I hope to see you very soon.
See you soon. Thanks a lot, Ravi. Wonderful project.
Thank you, Pompa Group.
Thank you.
Ravi Nanda, and I want to invite all the Russian-speaking orthodontists. If they really want to learn how to read and understand English, then they must take a course by Sergey. Sergey I have known for last 4 or 5 years, and he has trained so many orthodontists who speak now beautiful English as well as they understand all the lectures. So, my advice is I am going to be in Moscow with Kenji Ojima for 2 days to give lectures. So please take Sergey's courses in English. Bye.